I've got the simplest and most delicious little recipe for you for how to do chicken. To get us going, first things first, preheat our oven 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going. Very, very simple. You're gonna get yourself like a little bowl. You're gonna put in your little bowl about a quarter cup of, I'm using Greek extra virgin olive oil, of course, and get that going. The kicker, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Now, I buy my Cajun seasoning ready-made. I can go out and put like 15, 20 herbs and spices together, dry them out, pound them down, crush them, and put them together. Why? I'm also gonna take a little bold and spicy mustard. I like that punch that it gives. So again, I'm gonna do about a tablespoon or so of the bold and spicy mustard. I'm gonna grab myself a little whisk and a brush. So all you're gonna do is just combine this so it gives you like a really nice kind of consistency. It's almost like a glaze. You put it on and it's gonna give you so much bang for your buck. Also, you don't have to add any salt or pepper because it's already in the Cajun seasoning. So that's perfect right there. It's gonna give you a nice paste consistency. I'm gonna grab my brush and all I'm gonna do is put this on generously throughout my chicken. And this, my friends, is the absolute easiest chicken recipe ever. You're gonna get like this punch in the face or punch in the mouth of flavor, and it's so easy. Anybody, I mean anybody can make this. All right, and there you go. That's it. The last piece is done. We're ready to go. I'm gonna pop this into my oven. Now, when it comes to roasting chicken or cooking chicken, I'm not the 35 or 40 minute kind of guy. I don't like to see any part of the inside of my chicken pink. Pink does not mean juicy for me. Pink means a trip to the emergency room, you're gonna get sick with a cola. This is the thing. I do my chicken at least an hour. I like it more on the well done side. If you want to risk it, that's fine. But for this, I'm talking 400 degrees for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. My favorite part, as always. This, my friends, is right out of the oven. My chicken is done to perfection. It's been about an hour and 20 minutes, an hour and 15, an hour and 20 minutes. I am certain, I am positive my chicken is done to perfection. And I'll tell you, a very, very easy way to tell is this. Look at this. The bone, literally, the leg fell off. No pink inside. Pink is not gourmet. I don't know what anybody thinks, especially when it comes to poultry. Pink is not gourmet. This thing is absolutely done to perfection. Right through to the bone. Fall off the bone. It's so good. Ooh. Wow. No time like the present. Man, here it goes. This gives me so much happiness and joy. So my friends, that's it for this episode on my Cajun roast chicken. I hope you guys try this. It's absolutely fantastic and delicious. And you know what? Everybody's gonna love this. Even like, you know, the bitchiest eaters, they are going to love this. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share this recipe. I mean, you don't have to be a professional cook. Like, what the hell? I just made this, whipped this up, slathered it on, put it in an oven, and Bobby's your uncle. And also check me out online at my new website, www.kensgreektable.com, all one word. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.